Okay children, good morning. This is the first class, subject science, video number 15. Okay, once again, first class, subject science, video number 15. What is 15th lesson, 15th video? The lesson is food from plants. Science, food from plants. Food from plants. I already explained what is food, what are plants. Already explained in the previous videos. What is food? So many kinds of different kinds of foods are there. And from where do we get? We get all these foods from plants. These foods are of two types. One is from plants and one is from animals. Okay children? Now we are going to learn about the plants, what the plants are giving the food. We are getting from plants. Today our lesson is about the plants, what the plants are giving for us. Already fruits I explained you in the previous videos. From where we are getting fruits? We are getting fruits from plants. So all fruits are one in same color? No, they are in different colors and different tastes also. Now we are going to learn about the vegetables. Vegetables already explained in the previous video. Vegetables. Vegetables. What are vegetables? Mommy will cook curries, no? Those are called vegetables. Now I will show you some of the examples of vegetables. Children, what is this? Can you identify this one? Did you see in your houses now? Mom, your father or mother will go to the market and they will bring. What is this? Can you see? This is what do you call this one? Onion. What is that children? O-N. I-O-N. Onion. Come on, spell again. O-N. I-O-N. Onion. O-N. I-O-N. Onion. This is the onion. Ullipaya. You will keep in the curries. Okay. This is onion. Ullipaya. Okay. Next one. What is this children? Can you see this one? Can you see? Did you like this curry? Huh? Can you see this one? Okay. Lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S. Ladies. F-I-N-G-E-R. Ladies finger. This is called lady's finger. This vegetable is called lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S. Ladies. F-I-N-G-E-R. Ladies finger. This is called lady's finger. Mummy will cook this one now. Lady's finger. Next one. What is this? What do you call this one? You already know this one. What is this? Tomato. What is this one children? Tomato. What is the color of tomato? Red. Did you see? Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. What is this children? Tomato. This also will be keep in the curries. Okay? This is tomato. Tomato spelling once again. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Okay? Did you see this one? Okay children. Next, what is this? What is this? This is of two colors. One is violet in color, one is lightish green or yellow like that, mixing color. Okay? Brinjal is of two colors. Okay? Brinjal. What do you call this one? Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. See, this one is the brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. brinjal. Once again, B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Brinjal is of two colors. Okay. This is the brinjal. We use it in the curries also. This one. Okay. Next one. What is this? You know very well. What is this? This is a carrot. What do you call this one? Carrot. This is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. This is the carrot. Okay? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Once again. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. This is the carrot. Okay. Next one. This is what do you call this one? This is beetroot. Did you see? Beetroot curry also mummy will prepare now. This is beetroot. Beetroot. Sixth one. Beetroot. Beetroot. B-E-E-T R-O-O-T. Beetroot. B-E-E-T R-O-O-T. Beetroot. This is the beetroot here. Okay. Next one. You like this one very well. What is this? You like it very well, this one. Every children will like potato curry, potato fry, chips. All are they made from this potato only. Okay, potato. This is potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. What is this, children? Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Once again. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. This is potato. Did you see this one? You like it very well, no? Potato fry? Okay. Next one. What is this? Did you see this one? What is this? What is this? Ginger. Allam amma. What do you call this one? Ginger. This is very good for health. It improves our immunity. Okay? This is ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Once again. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Once again. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. This will make paste. With this one, ginger garlic paste mummy will prepare now. This is ginger. Okay. Next. What are these? Do you know this one? If you eat, it will be very nice, no? It will be very nice? No. You will get hot by this. Okay. It is very hot if you eat. What are these? These are chilies. Chilies is very spicy. H-I-L-L-I. Chili. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. Once again. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. Chili and pachmirapakaya. This is the chilies, green chilies. Okay. Next. What is this? Did you see this one? This is cabbage. What is this? This is cabbage. Okay. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Once again, come on, see. Children, this is cabbage. This is the cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Once again. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. This is the cabbage. Did you see? Did you see this one? Cabbage. Okay. Next. What is this? This is the akukora. What is this? What do you call this one? Akukora. Spinach. What do you call this one? Spinach. Okay. Yes. Spinach. Spinach. Okay. Did you see this one? This is the spinach. Yes. Spinach. Spinach. Vegetables. I already explained and showed the examples of vegetables. Onion I showed you. Lady's finger, tomato, brinjal, carrot, beetroot, potato, ginger, chili, cabbage and spinach. These vegetables are divided into 4 categories. 4. They are divided into 4 types. 4 types. First one what? Roots. I already explained in the previous video what are roots. What are roots I explained already in the previous video. What are roots? Example already told you. What are the examples of roots? Come on, say carrot. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot and radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Carrot and radish. Okay. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot and radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. These vegetables are divided into 4 categories. No? First one is roots. We leave the roots. The plant is fixed in the soil. The roots we leave. These roots are called rooty vegetables. Okay, carrot and radish. I'll show you the carrot. This is the carrot. Roots in the it will be like this in the underground. This vegetable only will eat. Okay, this is the carrot. This is the carrot. In the same way, radish also will be like this only, but it is white in color. This is carrot, but radish is white in color. Okay, radish also will grow here only in the roots. Okay, children. Now, stem. Stem of the plant we leave. What is that? Stem of the plant. Example, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Sugar cane. I'll write ginger. Okay, look here. Stem of the plant is P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Once again, potato and ginger. This is the potato, and this is the ginger. Okay, ginger is good for immunity. It improves the immunity of the body. So this is the ginger. Okay, this is the potato. You like very well. This is your favorite curry. All the children like favorite curry, no? All of us we like chips and everything is made by this potato only. Okay, potato and ginger. These are the stemmy vegetables. Okay, potato and ginger. These two. You can see, no? Okay. Next, flower vegetables. Flower. Example. What is flower vegetable? Cauliflower. What is flower vegetable? Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Flower vegetable what, ma? C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. I didn't bring cauliflower to show you because this is not the season to get cauliflower. Okay, I already showed you how it will be. Okay, this is the cauliflower. How it will be? I already drawn in the previous class. It will be like this, and the flower will be like this. No, cauliflower. This is the cauliflower. It will be like this. Everyone will like to eat this curry, cauliflower. Nowadays it won't come. So it is cauliflower. Okay, cauliflower. Okay, na? Next, leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable is nothing but ఆకుకూరలు. Okay, leafy vegetables means what? ఆకుకూరలు. Example, what are leafy vegetables? What are leafy vegetables? Cabbage. C A B B A G E. Cabbage. And spinach. Spinach. Cabbage and spinach. Leafy vegetables అంటే ఆకుకూరలు. Leafy vegetables means example, cabbage. C A B B A G E. Cabbage. And spinach. S P I N A C H. Spinach. Here, this is the cabbage. Why it is leafy vegetable? Because the leaves are like this. The vegetable leaves are like this. So we call it as leafy vegetable. We call it as leafy vegetable. See how the leaves are like this? So we call it as leafy vegetable. Okay. This is the leafy vegetable example. Cabbage. Cabbage. This is the cabbage. Did you see? And next this is the, so many are there leafy vegetables. తోటకూర, ఆకుకూరలు గోళెలు ఉన్నాయమ్మా. మెత్తుకూర. We call it as all these, no? But I brought only spinach. Okay, palko. This is the spinach. These are the leaves. Leafy vegetable. This is the leaf, no? We leave this one. Will cook in the dal. So this is called leafy vegetable. Okay, children. Now once again I'll explain you. These are the vegetables we eat. These are the vegetables. Onions, lady's finger, tomato, brinjal, carrot, beetroot, potato, ginger, chili, cabbage, spinach. These are the vegetables. Okay, these vegetables are divided into 4 categories. One is roots, stems, flowers and leafy vegetables. In that roots, we can see the carrot, radish. Carrot, radish. These are the examples of roots. Only two examples I am giving you for to remind in your mind. So many names you cannot remind. So if roots means you can immediately get carrot and radish. Okay. Stem of the plant is potato, ginger. Next, flower of the plant is cauliflower. Cauliflower. Nowadays we cannot get this in this season, so it will be like a flower. Okay. Leafy vegetable, cabbage and spinach. Cabbage and spinach. In this we can eat raw vegetables. Raw vegetables we can eat. Raw means పచ్చివి తినగలము మనం. ఏంటది? Raw means పచ్చివి. ఏం తింటామా మనం? We can eat carrot, tomato, radish and beetroot, like that. Cucumber also we can eat raw one. So పచ్చివి ఏమైతే తినగలం? పచ్చివి దాన్ని పిల్లగాన్ని RAW రా అంటే పచ్చివమ్మ. పచ్చివి we can make salads with this vegetables. Carrot, tomato, radish. Carrot, tomato, radish. In this we are getting food from plants. Plants we are getting fruits. Already explained you. Vegetables also we got. Next, what we are getting? Mummy will prepare curries, no? Mummy will prepare curry. Before you say preparing curry, what she will do? Before curry, Mummy will prepare curry, no? Before keeping a vessel on the stove, what she will keep first? Curries she will keep? No, she won't keep curries. First of all, she will keep oil in that. Where that oil comes from? That oil also comes from plants. That oil also comes from plants. From where do we get oil? We get oil from cooking oil. We get from sunflower. Sunflower. Oil from sunflower. We get oil from sunflower. Only sunflower you are getting? No. Groundnut oil. From groundnut oil to వేడి శనగకాయ. Groundnut oil, mustard oil and ఆవాలు. ఆవాలతో we can prepare some places they prepare curries and sweets also with that. Okay. But we are preparing with sunflower oil and groundnut oil for cooking. For these are useful for cooking. For cooking. And coconut oil, with what you will do in Kerala, they will cook food. They will cook food with the coconut oil. But we are keeping that oil for hair. We are keeping that oil for hair. We are using coconut oil. Coconut oil is copper noon. Copper noon. Coconut oil for hair. Hair అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? జుట్టుకు రాసుకుంటాం కదా నూనె. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ hair. జుట్టు. Coconut oil for hair. Okay, once again I will explain you. Oils we use for cooking. Oils we use for cooking. Oil is sunflower oil used for cooking. Sunflower oil is used for, one example I told you. Groundnut oil is there, mustard oil is there. By that, so many types of oils are there. But for mainly cooking, we are using sunflower oil and groundnut oil. Okay. Next one, coconut oil for hair. We use this coconut oil for hair. Next one, in the stem part of the stem part, we use sugar cane. Sugar cane. What do you see in the sugar cane? You will cook with this one sugar cane. You will eat, no? With this one we can prepare sugar. We get sugar from sugar cane. Okay? We get sugar from sugar cane. Okay, children? These are the vegetables we are getting from plants. Okay? In the next class, I will explain you about the spices, cereals and pulses, nuts, and briefly I will give you what we are getting from plants. Already I explained you fruits, vegetables. Now oils also I explained you. Next lesson, in the next video, I will explain you about pulses, cereals and nuts. Okay children? Spices also I will explain you. Okay? Thank you.